Hello everyone, in this video, you will learn to create, rig, and animate a stick figure in Blender Grease Pencil. If I am going too fast or doing things that are a bit unclear, please feel free to say so in the comments section. So we begin by going to the Materials property. Then choose the color of the stroke outline material of the head. Use the Circle tool for the head. Check Fill, then choose the color. Create another stroke material for the body. Draw the body and the arms using the Line tool. Switch to Edit mode by pressing Tab, then press Shift-D to duplicate the arm. Left-click to draw the leg, then press E to extrude another line for the shin and the foot. Press Shift-D for the leg. If you want to increase the thickness, press A to select all the points, then go to Stroke, then select Set Uniform Thickness. Then increase the number in the thickness section. In order to rig the character, go to Add, then Armature. In Edit mode, press G to grab the head of the bone. Then right-click, then Subdivide to divide the bones. Press E to extrude another bone for the head bone. Press Shift-A to add another bone for the arm, then subdivide. Do the same for the leg, then extrude the shin and the foot bones. Go to Viewport Display, then check Name, In Front, and Axis. Press F2 to name the bones. Name the bones of the limbs on the right side ending with .R, since we are going to symmetrize it to get the left side. After you are done naming, press A to select all the bones. Then right-click, then select Symmetrize. Now you have the left side. Now select both the upper arms, then select the chest bone, then press Ctrl-P to parent to the chest bone. Select both of the thigh bones, then Shift-select the spine bone, then press Ctrl-P again to parent. Now the arms follow the chest bones and the legs follow the spine bone. To attach the bone to the character, switch to Object mode, then select the character, then Shift, select the bone, then press Ctrl-P. Select with empty groups. This enables you to choose manually the areas that should be affected by the bone. Select the character, then switch to Edit mode. Select the points of the head, then in the Vertex Group section you will see the names of the bones. Select the name of the head bone, then click Assign. Assign each part to their respective bones for the rest of the figure. For the joints, such as the elbow, make sure at least one point is at the center of the joints for it to deform properly. After you are done, switch to Object mode, then select the rig, then press Ctrl-Tab to switch to Pose mode. Then test to see if it's working. You can animate with this rig. However, if you want, you can add IK controls, which is optional. To add an IK bone, extrude another bone on the heel of the character. This will be the IK bone. Then extrude the knee bone. To add an IK constraint, select the IK bone, the shin, then press Ctrl-Shift-C. Select inverse kinematics. In the Constraints tab, you will see the constraint. Now when you move the IK bone, the rest of the body follows. To solve this, go to the Constraints tab, then set chain length to 2. So that it can only affect the shin and the thigh bones. Choose the knee bone as the pole target. This enables the knee bone to control the direction of the knee. Delete, then symmetrize to copy the constraints to the left leg. Now when you drag the spine bone downwards, the knees also bend. The only issue is that the feet are also rotating. To solve this, switch to Edit mode, then select the foot, then press Alt-S to unparent the foot from the shin bone. Now the foot isn't rotating, but it also isn't following the shin bone. To solve this, select the shin bone, then select the foot, then choose Copy Location. This apply a copy location constraint to the foot, which moves to the knee. To solve this, change the head-tail target by increasing the value. Alright, now the foot isn't rotating anymore. Delete, then symmetrize again. For the ground, go to Add, Grease Pencil, then select Stroke. Switch to Draw mode, then draw the ground. Change the viewport display to Stick. Now you can start animating. To import a video reference, go to Add, Image, then select Mesh Plane. Choose from your folders, then Import. Now you can rotoscope your character's movements according to the reference video. For the second character, select both the rig and the character, then press Shift-D to duplicate. If you try to change the material color, it will change for both. To solve this, click on Fake User. Now you can animate. You can also add another grease pencil object for the VFX. And we are done.